Hey, it's Angie Chamber for the Vex Forum, and today I want to show you this. So essentially, if you watch this right here, I can slide this outer bit here. So there's supposed to be more of this ring here, but if I put it in this position here, as you can see, it locks onto it, and now they can't turn against each other. However, if I move it in a little bit further, like so, now it engages with the carrier of the planetary mechanism. And similarly, inside of here, if I move this back and forth, let's see, right now it is engaging and it can move back and forth a little bit inside of here and still engage this part, which is the ring. However, if I move it inwards, now it is engaging the carrier again. And by being able to move these actually will move at the same rate as each other, and this thing in the center will stay still compared to these. I'm not really sure how to mount it in a frame to make this work, but I shall show you how it's supposed to work. So if I move this out so it is powering the ring gear, by the way, the sun gear is always held still by this shaft. So this gear here will be held still, unless if I turn it for comparison so you can see something. So right now, we are on the outside here. Let's say that we are attached to this gear right here. So if we spin it right here, you'll see, oh, and it disengaged. It's very delicate right now, because it's so thin. Oh, come on, stop disengaging. I'll move it in a little bit further, there we go. That this thing is actually being geared down, so if I spin this, you can see that the sun gear is actually affecting the output right now. So if I spin this, it's actually gearing down the output. However, if we were to, say, attach to this one, with this ring here, this being the output, now it is spinning 1 to 1, because you can see this gear doesn't affect or spin that. So, slower, 1 to 1, and now, if we take this gear and we push it in, now it is engaging the carrier. Let me put this guy back on. Now if I spin this, you'll see that this outer thing here is moving faster than the input. So if I were to spin this guy here, you'll see, well, actually no, how about just show you the input and the output at the same time. There we go, that'll work. So for one turn of the output, we get more turns, sorry, one turn on the input, we get more turns on the output. See if I like move it a little bit, it moves a lot faster. So that's bigger than 1 to 1. So that's overdrive. We move it over into here. We get 1 to 1. So that's 1 to 1. And then we also get a little bit slower. And then again, if we move it in like this, we get overdrive. Pretty cool.